Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about to save post on LinkedIn. Guys, if you see any important post on LinkedIn and if you want to save that post, then how will you do? Let's learn about it. So guys, I am on my home page and here I am going to scroll down, and like if I see any important post on my LinkedIn account, and this is the post and I want to save this post, and simply I will go to this post, and here you can see three dotted option. You have to click on it. Once you click on it, then there are so many options and you have to click on save. And as you can see guys, the post which I saved has been saved in my saved items. So let's click on it. I've clicked on view all, and here you can see my saved post. In my saved items, my post has been saved. So guys, this is how to save post on LinkedIn. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.